Welcome to Raka's Tech Channel. This is the place where innovation meets curiosity. If you're a restless mind eager to explore the world of technology, you've come to the right place. Raka and Bureau is on a mission to automate everything, one tutorial at a time. From building with Arduino to decoding the mysteries of infrared signals, radios, and microcontrollers. We'll dive deep into the hardware and software that power the tech world. Whether you're experimenting with different sensors, testing out various boards, or configuring complex modules, we're here to guide you step by step. Our ultimate goal: to unlock the potential of automation in every project. So, join us on this exciting journey of discovery, creativity, and hands-on learning. Sit back, get inspired, and let's bring ideas to life, one innovation at a time.